I need y'all help. I need y'all to break this out. I need y'all to say, keep up, keep up.
Cutthroat, nigga. At the same time, I'm by my dope, nigga. Go getter, 4-5 on me, turn you to a ghost, nigga. No, nigga, on this earth can treat me like a hoe, nigga. No, nigga, that these bitches call me the GOAT, nigga. Just like I'm your majesty, I take you out like Applebee's. All these bitches after me, if they could, they would tackle me. Niggas sneak this about these hoes, yeah, that shit baffle me. Everything these niggas tell these bitches, it get back to me. Lame ass, hating ass, peon ass nigga. Yo, they call me Mr. Glock, I press a button and send a missile. Soon as I get in the car, she try to suck it through the zipper. Yeah, these niggas hating on me, they hated God and flipper. 10 toes down, I'm standing tall, going all in, nigga. Just fuck with